the 2026 Toyota Supra MK4 isn't just a tribute to the past. It's a bold fusion of heritage and innovation that reignites the flame of one of the most iconic Japanese sports cars ever made. While Toyota had already revived the Supra nameplate in recent years, fans of the original MK4, with its unmistakable curves, to Jay-Z engine, and Fast and Furious fame, wanted more. Now, Toyota delivers with the 2026 MK4 Homage Edition, a car that blends nostalgic design with futuristic performance. Visually, the 2026 Supra MK4 stays incredibly loyal to the silhouette of the 1990s classic, with a long hood, wide stance, and flowing rear fenders. But look closer, and you'll see modern touches like sleek LED headlights, active aero components, and lightweight carbon fiber detailing. Toyota engineers clearly wanted to respect the past without being trapped in it. The pop-up headlights may be gone, but the aggressive front fascia, ducktail spoiler, and double bubble roof nod respectfully to the old-school fans while enhancing aerodynamics. Under the hood is where things get really exciting. At the heart of the new Supra MK4 sits an evolved inline-six engine, turbocharged and finely tuned, delivering over 500 horsepower. While not the exact to Jay-Z of old, Toyota has partnered with performance specialists to develop a new that captures the legendary tuning potential and durability the MK4 was known for, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic. The car offers blistering acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Inside, the 2026 Supra MK4 features a driver-focused cockpit that pays tribute to its analog roots but integrates cutting-edge tech. Digital gauges with retro-style graphics, a minimalist dash layout, and racing-inspired bucket seats create a sense of purpose. A new infotainment system with track telemetry, customizable driving modes, and an optional heads-up display add modern convenience to the driving experience without distracting from the car's raw spirit. Toyota has also refined the chassis to deliver precise handling and responsiveness. A reworked suspension setup, lightweight construction, and an electronically controlled limited slip differential ensure the Supra MK4 hugs corners with confidence and agility. Whether you're carving canyon roads or taking it to the track, this car begs to be driven hard. Perhaps what makes the 2026 Supra MK4 so special is how it bridges generations. It's a love letter to enthusiasts who grew up idolizing the original, but it's also a fully capable modern sports car that can compete with today's best. Toyota has proven that respecting heritage doesn't mean copying the past. It means reimagining it for the present. So, whether you're a tuner fan dreaming of building your own 800 horsepower beast, or a purist who just wants to feel that perfect balance of power and control, again, the 2026 Toyota Supra MK4 is the rebirth you've been waiting for. The legend lives on. Music plays, screen fades too. Like, share, and subscribe for more.